Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best waterproof lace glue is probably one of the most sought-after adhesives for anyone who wears lace fronts, wigs, or other hair accessories, promising a long-lasting hold that can withstand even the most humid conditions. In this video, we will explore the top waterproof lace glues available on the market, comparing their strengths, weaknesses, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision and find the perfect glue for your needs. Number 5. Wig Glue Kit. This kit has everything you need for a perfect wig application. It includes glue, remover, wax, and tools for a flawless look. It creates an invisible bond that lasts all day and is safe for all hair types. It's waterproof, so you can feel confident in any weather. The included hair wax stick is perfect for styling your hair and creating a smooth, natural look. It's small enough to take anywhere. Our edge control wax helps to tame flyaways and create sleek, defined edges. It works with all hair textures. Removing it is just as easy as applying it. Our special remover effortlessly lifts the adhesive without damaging your hair or skin. This kit includes everything you need: glue, remover, wax, brushes, elastic bands, and wig caps. Everything is conveniently packaged together. Whether you're using a lace front wig or a toupee, this kit will help you achieve a natural, secure, and comfortable fit. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a seamless wig application and removal. It's perfect if you're new to wigs or prefer a convenient solution. If you value convenience in a complete package, this is the one for you. What people say. The adhesive holds my wig securely without feeling too sticky or harsh on my scalp, and the melting band ensures a natural hairline every time. I use this glue on myself and my clients. I love it. It's definitely worth the price. The glue is not crazy strong, however, with a few layers you can still get a good hold. The glue was strong and long-lasting and had little to no smell to it. They gave 2 hair bands and 2 combs as well as a wig cap. Number 4. Hair Diagram Bold Hold Extreme Creme. This isn't your average wig glue. It's a lightweight, long-lasting, and non-toxic formula designed for a superior hold. It's water and humidity resistant, perfect for those with normal to oily skin. It dries clear for a strong, invisible bond that lasts for weeks. Unlike other glues, it's 100% latex-free, odorless, and made with non-toxic ingredients. Always do a patch test before use. Clean your skin, apply a thin layer, let it dry clear, and then apply your lace. Use a cool hairdryer to set it. For removal, use our Bold Hold Lace Remover. We create innovative hair solutions with safe, skin-friendly formulas you can trust. This product is made in an FDA-registered lab in the US. Get the superior hold you deserve with this amazing product. It's the perfect solution for long-lasting, secure wig application. What we like. This glue provides an exceptionally strong and long-lasting hold, ideal for active lifestyles or humid climates. If you need a reliable, long-lasting bond and prioritize skin health, this is your best bet. What people say. Holds great. Easy to use. It does the job. Better than others. The previous glue I was using wouldn't last. No more than 2 days it would get white. But this glue is it no white, lasting more than 4 days so far. I always take wigs off in like a week, but this glue I will continue to order. BC it works for me. The wig is stuck. This glue dries quickly and really gives a strong hold. I like it. Number 3. Dolahair Lace Glue. This is Dolahair Lace Glue, a game changer for wig wearers. It's designed for a superior, lasting hold without damaging your scalp or hair. It's non-toxic and latex-free, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Enjoy a comfortable and secure wig application. This unique formula dries clear, creating an invisible bond for a natural look. Say goodbye to visible glue lines. Application is simple. Just apply 2 to 4 layers and let it dry. Removal is just as easy with our special remover. For a flawless lace melt, let the glue dry before applying the band. This ensures a seamless and natural look. You get 1.3 ounces of Dolahair lace glue and 2 wig bands to help secure your wig and lay down those edges. What we like. This glue offers extreme hold and creates an invisible bond, ensuring a natural look. It's perfect if you need a strong, reliable hold that lasts. If you are looking for an invisible, strong hold for your wig, this is the one for you. What people say. Glue works great. I am a beginner at lace wigs, and so this glue is a perfect start for me. The hold was great. Very functional with good quality. Great water resistance but not too much sweat, and didn't really have a bad smell, just smelled like glue. This hair glue is a game changer. It provides an incredibly strong hold that lasts all day, even in humid conditions. Whether I'm securing a wig, lace front, or styling edges, it keeps everything perfectly in place without budging. Number 2. Invisible Bonding Glue. This bonding glue is specially formulated for hair replacement systems. It's a pressure-sensitive adhesive, rigorously tested for quality, performance, and safety. It's safe for both poly and lace systems, creating an invisible bond. This ensures a natural look for your wig or toupee, hiding your hairline. It's perfect for oily skin, heavy perspiration, and humid climates. Its higher melting point keeps your hair securely in place. It's waterproof and oil-resistant, so you can go about your day worry-free. Your hair will look and feel natural, no matter the conditions. It's designed for sensitive skin, containing no harsh chemicals, latex, or toxins. For easy removal, use a skin-safe solvent like rubbing alcohol. What we like. This lightweight glue is designed for oily scalps and humid conditions, providing a comfortable and secure hold. If you have oily skin or live in a humid climate, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. It didn't look weird on my lace at all. My wig stayed for 2 weeks, no sliding during sweat or anything. I received the glue only a few days after ordering, and it came with 2 plastic sticks to spread the glue, which is very convenient. From what I can tell so far, the glue had a strong hold and it dries really fast and clear. This product is awesome. The glue is long-lasting, waterproof, dries clear and durable. There's minimal to no shedding with my 24-inch lace human hair closure. Number 1. Katelon Lace Wig Glue Set. This complete set provides everything you need for a secure and natural-looking wig application. It includes a long-lasting adhesive, a gentle remover, and helpful application tools. Our wig glue creates an invisible bond, hiding your hairline for a natural look. It's safe for use on both lace and poly hair systems. The fast-acting remover is oil-based and perfect for sensitive scalps. It easily removes your wig without pulling or damaging your hair. The included hair wax stick is made with natural ingredients like beeswax and avocado oil to nourish your hair and scalp. It's safe, non-irritating, and easy to use. The set also contains a dual-ended brush to help style and smooth your hair, plus a pair of false eyelashes to complete your look. With this all-in-one kit, you'll have everything you need for a flawless wig application and removal experience. Get yours today. What we like. This kit combines a high-quality wig glue with a fast-acting remover and nourishing hair wax. It's perfect if you value a quick and easy application and removal process. If you like the convenience of a complete kit with added hair care benefits, this is for you. What people say. Tried a few different brands, and this is as good as any other good ones. And comes with a plastic spatula for application, which is very handy. The oil for removal of glue is gentle on the skin and easily lifts the lace off. Okay, so I haven't tried the glue remover yet, but this hold from the glue is pretty amazing. The glue also dries clear, which I really like, and I didn't have to do much cleanup on my lace afterwards. It holds hair in place for a long time, it is not tacky, it makes the wig lace melt well into the skin, and gives a realistic scalp look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.